Hi everybody, this is Kathy. Welcome back to my channel, Kathy's Favorite Things. Thank you so much for stopping back here today to watch my Beebeecraft project chair. If you guys missed my Beebeecraft unboxing video, I will link it down below, as well as my first Beebeecraft project chair from this time. I will also give you the link to Beebeecraft website as well as the link to the items that I will be using today. Okay, I hope you like it. Leave me a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and go check out beebeecraft.com, please. Their items are made of a high quality material. I will be using some dies that they sent me, and they cut perfectly. You will not regret it if you go and decide to go try them out for yourself. Okay guys, thank you so much again for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment, and I will let you watch the project chair now. Thank you guys. Bye bye.
Hi everybody, this is Kathy. Like I just said, I am here to show you a project chair brought to you by Beebeecraft. I am doing a review for Beebeecraft items, and I decided to go ahead and create something with the products that Beebeecraft sent me recently. And I decided to go ahead with an Easter craft since Easter is fast approaching. So some of the dies that I have from Beebeecraft, there are these nesting dies here. So you can see they are like in a rectangular shape, and one of them is the perfect size for pocket letters. It's 2.5 by 3.5, which is this one here. And I decided to go ahead and use this die to cut the paper for my pocket letter. Beebeecraft also sent me some beautiful glittery cardstock that I used to cut with the die. And as you can see, the paper is a great quality. It's thick and it's super easy to cut with your die cut machine. It comes out perfect. You just put it facing down in your machine that you have for die cutting, and it cuts beautifully. And as you can see, it has some stitching all around the die. You're going to be able to see that also imprinted in your paper. So the quality of the die is amazing, you guys. Let me show you the pocket letter. And as you can see, the stitching all around the paper. See, I cut the paper. Let me take one of the papers out to show you better, okay? Let's show you up close. So you can see right there, all around the edge, you can see the marks of the die. See, it's imprinted in there. And it's the perfect size for the pocket letter. So it gives you like rounded edges and the stitching illusion, you know, it's like a stitching illusion. Also, I received some letter dies, as you can see right here. They are a great size. They're a little bit bigger than 1 inch. And I used those letter dies, those alpha dies, to cut this letters here that say Happy Easter. And it came out perfect. Let me just show you. I have some more letters here that I had cut that they're not glued, and I used again the paper that Beebeecraft sent me. See? And the paper is in great quality as well. It's super shiny and it's thick. Great quality. Okay, you guys? Perfect. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It comes out easily. The dye, the paper comes out easily from the dye when you're working with it. So again, like I said, these are great quality dyes, you guys. I am going to be adding the item number down in the description box below in case you want to order some of the same dyes from Beebeecraft. You will not be disappointed. The quality of the products, it's amazing. So you can see here, the paper is beautiful, shiny. The dye is cut precisely. Pretty. And also in the back of my pocket letter, I used more of the paper, the shiny glittery paper that I received from Beebeecraft. Let me take one just to show you. And this is the glittery paper, and you can also see the stitching all around the edge. Even though it's a glittery paper, you can still see the design on the paper. Can you see that? It's beautiful, great quality paper, you guys. Thick, super easy to work with. So in case you want to order this paper, I will again add the number of the item number down in the description box below for you to go check it out in their website, which is www.beebeecraft.com. Again, I use here the alpha dies, and I cut the words Happy Spring because this is an Easter pocket letter. And I hope you like this, guys. I also did something else with the same rectangular dies. Let me show you. Again, with the Easter theme, I used another one of the dies from the same set, a smaller size. These are nesting dies. They have different sizes. This one I used to cut more of the shiny paper, and I used it as a background for this bunny embellishment that I made for Easter. And I cut it in different colors, as you can see, using the papers that I received from Beebeecraft. And they are very shiny, as you can see. Let me show you up close. You can see the detail all around the stitching on the paper, and the paper is super shiny and thick, and it's only one-sided, but it's very beautiful. And this is the magenta color. Beautiful. And this is more like a purple, so you can see right there. So I decided to cut the smaller size as well, and This is the bigger size. And this is the size for the pocket letters, the 2.5 by 3.5. That also comes in the same nesting dies. Okay, some of the color papers that I received are the ones that I just show you, but there are so many more color papers that I have that I'm going to show you now. Just a few of them so you can have an idea. And over here, see, they have some gold. Let me move this out of the way. See, there is gold, green, pink, silver, purple, brown, orange, black, more green, more purple, more gold, more hot pink, red, aqua, light pink, more aqua, and more silver. So as you can see, this set of paper has a big amount of papers here. I'm going to have enough for several project chairs, and I will be back again with another project chair another day. I hope you like this one. Again, I'm going to link the products that I used down below. They are all from beebeecraft.com. Again, Beebeecraft, thank you so much for allowing me to review your products and for letting me do a project share. Thank you so much for all your help. Thank you everybody for watching. Okay, thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.